Wolfen is dedicated to delivering accessible toilet suites that make a difference. Each Ambulant toilet suite truly delivers on its ability to positively impact people's lives. This range has been thoughtfully designed to meet stringent Australian compliancy standards for Ambulant bathrooms. With a universal S or P trap installation, Wolfen is an easy choice for any project. Created with the latest in toilet hygiene technology, the rimless design creates a powerful flush with antibacterial properties and an easy-to-clean surface area. Available in 3 different colours, the buttons are raised and have tactile flush indicators. While matching toilet seats are extremely durable and come in single or double flap configurations. The Ambulant toilet's minimal and sleek design is the perfect complement to any space, and its versatility means they have a large range of commercial and residential applications. Wolfen products are made to perform, all day, every day. Experience total peace of mind with an industry-leading 5-year commercial warranty. The Wolfen toilet range, a full suite of options. Speak to your local Reece consultant or trade counter hand about how the Wolfen toilet range can create a compliant bathroom solution for you.